Moving heavy machinery is a complex process. Forklifts, hydraulic machine jacks, and load-moving skates a lot of time and space, yet offer little flexibility. The POWER-Skate Duo H combines both functions into a single system. Two synchronously controlled drive units lift the machine and move it to the next station. Both POWER-Skate units are precisely coordinated with each other. This allows even large loads to be moved in a controlled manner, even through tight turns and along complex paths. Controlled via radio, with precise control over movement and direction. The Duo H brings the load exactly where it is needed. Even the precise alignment of heavy machinery becomes child's play thanks to the automatic positioning of the POWER-Skates when switching driving modes. Precise, controlled, and without the need for further adjustments to individual load-moving skates. Lift, move, position, all in one system. The POWER-Skate Duo H stands for maximum efficiency in machine transport.